Hello students, welcome back to Sri Sai Adhan Online Tuitions. My name is P. Rajesh Ramarao, BSc BA. This is the continuation part of the topic Rational Numbers Class 8. This is part F, my dear students. One of the beautiful topic which I like and I enjoyed, that is, teacher used to give what comes in between. I know, it's 6. What comes in between 13 and 15? Ma'am, it's 14. What comes in between 152 and 154? Ma'am, it's 153. I got the answer. And I know. I love this topic. Whenever my maths teacher used to give me in the class to do or as the homework part. Now, students, we are going to learn about the numbers which lie in between two rational numbers. Yes. What did I say? Suppose you got 1 by 5 and 3 by 6 or 2 by 7 students. These are the two rational numbers given, that is 1 by 5 and 2 by 7. Tell me one rational number which comes in between 1 by 5 and 2 by 7 students. A little bit. It will take time, you are thinking. Earlier, between 13 and 15, 14. Between 152 and 154, 153. Now, with the same speed, can you answer? No. So now, after some time, you can answer, dear students. So what is the topic here? That is rational numbers present between two rational numbers. Between any two rational numbers. So how do we find a rational number between any two rational numbers, students? Or I write in a complete way, otherwise you will. We need to be clear, students. Now how? Suppose you got two rational numbers, let A by B and C by D be two rational numbers Now, how do we find two rational numbers or a one rational number between these two rational numbers? Then, to find a rational number between A by B and C by D, we use the formula as half of A by B plus C by D. Half of A by D plus C by D. For example sake, student, you got a question that find a rational number. Find a rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Find a rational number between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So here 1 by 2 will be A by B and 1 by 3 will be C by D, students. So half of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Half of 2 and 3, LCM will be 6. This will go 3 times and this will go 2 times. 3 ones are is 3 plus 2 ones are is 2. Half of 3 plus 2 is 5, students, by 6. Bracket means multiplication. The meaning of brackets is multiplication. 1 5s are is 5 and 2 6s are is 12. 1 5s are is 5 and 2 6s are is 12. So between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, which rational number you got, students? 5 by 12. Am I clear? We'll do one more. Now students, the question is find a rational number between 4 by 9 and 11 by 6. Between 4 by 9 and 11 by 6. So A by B here. A by B will become the first rational number, that is 4 by 9, and C by D will become 11 by 6. So what is the formula? Half of 4 by 9 plus 11 by 6. Half of 4 and 9 and 6. In the rough part, find out the LCM. 3 3s are, 2s are, 1s are, again 1s are. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So the LCM is 18 over here. In the table of 9, when 18 comes 2 times. In the table of 6, 18 will come 3 times. Multiply with the numerator. 2 4s are 8. 3 11s are 33. So half of 33 plus 8, 7 is 40 and 41 by 18. Remove the brackets, multiplication. 141s are 41, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. So 41 by 36 is a rational number between 4 by 9 and 11 by 6. Am I clear, students? Now students, we have done some sums and we got a rational number between any two rational numbers. Right? Yes. Now, if a question is asked, not only one rational number, students, find 100 rational numbers between any two rational numbers. What? You heard right, students. Find 100 rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Or find 10 rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Don't get confused. Don't strain yourself, students. We have solution for everything. Yes, we have a solution for everything. What is the topic? To find many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. How? If the question is given as find 10 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. Find 10 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. How are we going to do it, students? Point number 1, whatever the rational numbers are given to you, or whichever rational numbers are given to you, you need to make the denominators same. Point number 1. What is that? You need to make the denominators same. Am I clear? After that, see how much is the difference between the numerators. Let me complete the step 1. What is step 1? That we need to equal the denominators. First we'll complete that part and later we'll discuss after completing that task. Am I clear? Now, what are the rational numbers given? 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. 3 and 5 LCM is 15. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. 2 by 3, leave some gap, 15. 2 by 3, you write it down, leave some space, by 15. In the table of 3, when you will get 15? 5 times. Numerator, denominator and numerator, we need to multiply with the same. 2 5s are 10. What is the next rational number? 3 by 5, again leave some space. Denominator is 15. Why 15? Because the LCM is that. In the table of 5, multiply 3 times, multiply 3 times. 3 3s are 9. So what is the first rational number you got? 10 by 15. And second rational number you got? 9 by 15. No gap at all. Now what you need to do, students? This is the step 1 is done. Step 1 is done. We made the denominators equal. Now see the numerators. Now in step 2 you multiply by multiples of 10. You multiply by multiples of 10. Multiply here, suppose 10. Denominator also you multiply. Numerator also you multiply. Denominator also you multiply. 10 tens are 100. 15 tens are 150. 9 tens are 90. 15 tens are 150. From 91 to 100. 91 to 99. Here they asked you 10 rational numbers. You didn't get. Again you multiply by 10 to both the numerators and the denominators. 1000 by 1500. 900 by 1500. So which are the 10 rational numbers? The 10 rational numbers are 901 by 1500, 902 by 1500, so on. 900 and 9 by 1500, 910 by 1500. You got more till 999. Is this clear, my dear students? Not only one number is present between any two rational numbers. There are infinite rational numbers present between any two rational numbers. Did you understand, students? How do we find more number of rational numbers? Hope you understood this chapter of rational numbers, my dear students. Please do subscribe our channel and please do watch it. Thank you very much, my dear students.